Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday. The S&P 500 was down 0.9% today. I think this is kind of a healthy day to a certain degree because last week was just such a huge run up. You need to have some pullback. If you continue on the upside aggressively, sometimes that snapback to the downside could be quite dramatic and gets things going on the other direction, which is really not what we want at this point. Had a great report last Thursday on CPI. The next report comes out December 13th. If it's higher, we're going to look back and say, hey, that was just an anomaly, which is what one of the Fed governors was saying here. Got to be careful about just looking at one data point. And he's right as far as that goes. But if it is lower, then the market's probably going to take off just because, it's starting to show a trend. When you dig into the CPI report from last Thursday, an awful lot of those pieces were actually down in price, which is exactly what the Federal Reserve is looking for. Hopefully, we'll see a slower pace of increase in December on the December 14th meeting for the Federal Reserve. Market's betting for half a point instead of the 3/4 point increases that we've been getting, et cetera. We're going to have to see how this all plays out throughout next year with this raise of interest rates that has a lag as far as that goes. So, as you know from our videos last week, we have a third of our normal stock market exposure back in the market, and that is just because of this CPI report showing the right direction, but we're not completely back in because the Federal Reserve, if you listen to them, their interviews, this weekend and today, is still essentially saying that, they want to be really, really cautious about inflation. And that's, a situation where the market could really struggle if they continue to raise rates at a faster rate or at a longer period or all the way to a higher terminal rate, whatever it might be. And so there's still some, issues to be worked out here as far as that goes. But definitely looking forward to seeing what's going to be happening here coming forward with these retail sales that are coming out and retail earning reports. So look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you.